I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I cry all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, my body says, my mind, and my heart, my body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy.
Temperature, and this is a heat indicator.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed.
So, this is a professional pressure cooker. It has 12 months warranty, and it says it's for delicious meals, 70% faster, save energy, timer with auto off. So yeah, that's the timer of the company. It has a digital cooking control, and it is 10 liters big, 10 liter capacity. So, on this side it says the Ewant cooker combines 8 appliances in one. Pressure cooker, rice cooker, meat, bean, tendon, chicken, steamer, and warmer. It cooks fast and saves time. Ewant cooker combines appliances in one. Pretty much explaining the same thing all over again. So pressure cooker, rice cooker, steamer, saucepan, warmer, and cooks up to 70% faster. So this is why I bought this item. When I decided to move, it was between getting an air fryer and a gas cooker and then pots and pans and all that. And then I saw this and I'm like, this is brilliant. It's going to save me a lot of cost, and it looks like it's going to save me a lot of time too, because if it cooks 70% faster, that means I can just get up and decide to whip something up and it will be swift as hell. And I don't have to get an air fryer and a gas cooker. You know, this does pretty much everything. It bakes, it fries, it cooks, everything. So that's why I bought this, and I bought it for like 70k. This is the manual. It cost me 70k, and I got it off of Jumia. There are some Instagram vendors who will have it, but I like to buy stuff from Jumia because they have a return policy that favors you as a customer. Wow, this is huge.
Push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah. Pop a P, I'm paranoid. I keep it sleep, my pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah.
I wasn't expecting it to be this big, but 10 liters, yeah. It's big. So yeah, this is what we have. This is a beauty. Okay, this is a beauty. This is beautiful. Take off the label before use. This is how you open it. And it has measuring cups and things. I'll have to go through the manual to figure this out because I've never used anything like this before. So there's a lot that I do not know. Okay, so we have this. This is like a non-stick. This is like a non-stick pot, and it's so pretty. It looks really good. So I guess this is where you'll be cooking your rice and whatever else you want to cook. So that goes there. I'm guessing, yeah, it fits. So, and so let's see how this fits. Oh yeah. I'm going to stop guessing and just go through the manual and figure this out. If you guys, if you want to see like how to use this, because I have some chicken marinating calmly in the fridge right now that I'm about to air fry. So I need to go through the manual to figure it out. And if you want to see how to use it for air frying and cooking and whatever, I will be doing a bunch of videos as I use it, as I go along, after I study the manual. So definitely stay tuned or watch out for those videos. This is just an unboxing video. I don't want to bore you guys with all of that other detail, especially if you don't need it. But this is what it looks like. From the other videos that I saw, it looked pretty small. Maybe from the angle, I don't know. But this is a pretty large device, like it's big. It's big. So yeah, and I love it. I'm glad I bought it. Although I haven't used it, so I don't know how it's going to work for me. But so far, I love what I'm seeing. And I'm going to definitely keep you guys posted on how I use it, how it works, and all the many things that you can do with it. But this is pretty awesome. So stay tuned for those videos. Thank you for watching this one. You know my look, I've been working, cleaning, doing stuff all day, and I'm starving. I need to eat, so that's why we're here. Anyway, see you in my next video. Bye.